Hi, today is January 10, 2025, Baku, Azerbaijan. I am Emin Hasanlı, CEO of Fleetstock Group of Companies, present to use the German Kaeser brand compressors that we brought by order of BP, British Petroleum. Our compressors are equipped with a special spark protection system with a muffler to ensure they can operate completely safely in oil refining areas. These compressors are specially designed compressors. Kaeser M100 mobile compressors, which produce 7 bar 10 cubic meters of compressed air per minute, are designed for safe operation in various areas of British Petroleum. If you pay attention, the safety measures of this brand are maintained at the highest level. The equipment is of maximum quality and has the highest efficiency with minimum fuel consumption. Thus, in this comparison, Kaeser brand compressors are the #1 brand in the world. We are proud to work as a distributor of the Kaeser brand in Azerbaijan and represent this brand at the highest level in Azerbaijan.